Imagine your home repairing itself automatically. Cracks and scratches simply disappear overnight. Imagine your home repairing itself automatically. Cracks and scratches simply disappear overnight. This incredible future is closer than you think. Today, we explore self-healing materials for homes. This technology promises to revolutionize DIY repairs. Say goodbye to constant patching and fixing. Your property could maintain itself for years. This concept offers huge time and cost savings. What exactly are self-healing materials? They contain agents that react to damage. Microscopic capsules burst upon crack formation. These capsules release healing chemical compounds. The compounds then fill and seal the damage. Think of it like your body healing a cut. This process restores structural integrity completely. It's truly a marvel of modern material science. Scientists are already making incredible progress. Dr. Erik Schlangen pioneered self-healing concrete. His team at Delft University achieved this. They embed dormant Bacillus bacteria into concrete. Water entering cracks activates these bacteria. The bacteria then produce limestone, sealing fissures. This prevents costly structural degradation effectively. Self-healing polymers are also seeing rapid development. Imagine self-healing paint on your exterior walls. Minor scuffs or scratches would vanish instantly. Roofs could self-seal small leaks from storms. Pipes might repair tiny fissures before major bursts. Driveways could mend small cracks after winter. This means significantly less routine maintenance. Homeowners save money on constant professional repairs. DIY becomes more about upgrades, less about fixes. Current costs remain a significant barrier. Widespread adoption requires manufacturing scale. Research continues to improve material longevity. Standardization across industries is also essential. Expect to see specialized products first, like sealants. Broader home integration may take another decade. However, the pace of innovation is accelerating rapidly. The future of autonomous repair is undeniably bright. Self-healing materials represent a huge leap forward. They promise durable, lower-maintenance homes. This technology will redefine DIY as we know it. Get ready for a smarter, more resilient living space. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe for more deep dives.